Mega Computronix GeForce RTX TM50 SUPRIM Liquid Series is now available. Upgrade your gaming with the GeForce RTX TM50 SUPRIM Liquid Series, designed for unbeatable performance. Featuring ARGB lighting and a powerful 360mm liquid cooling system, it keeps your rig cool and running at peak efficiency. With 6 high-performance fans and maximum airflow, you can say goodbye to overheating. Enjoy real-time ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and stunning 4K visuals for an immersive gaming experience. Built for eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, this card is versatile and future-ready. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or creator, the RTX TM50 delivers the power and style you need. Don't wait! Contact us today on WhatsApp or call +91 98415 78631 to elevate your gaming setup with the RTX TM50 SUPRIM Liquid Series.